First of all, you need to make a hole in the middle. As you see, I already made a hole. You can open it up with this. It's gonna take a little while. If you have small screwdriver, go ahead and try to open it a little bit. And then you can use the big one. Okay, you're gonna continue this step 6 times because of hexagonal shape. And put it over there. I already opened it finally, and I put the new one in. This is the new one. There is nothing at the top. It is one piece. Let me go ahead and take it out. Right, as you see, you're just gonna take it out. Yeah, that's it. Right now we're gonna put the new one in. Okay, we're gonna put the new one up. It. This is the swollen, and that one also. I already changed that one and that one. Okay, the last step, you're just gonna put this in. I think that's enough. You need to be really slow. We're gonna put the new one, but first you need to clean it up there, right there. Here is the broken one, finally. These are the old ones.